In 2019, my New Year's resolution is I'm gonna take over the world. Let's go. Happy New Year's, you guys. What is going on? It is Jason Tang TV, bring you guys another video. For today's video, I just wanted to sit down and have a chat with you guys, letting you guys know what is coming up in 2019. 2018 flew by like that. Like, it's insane how fast that year went. I feel like I did want to give you guys an update a little bit about what's been going on in my life. I recently just finished school and it's kind of scary in a way. Like, I honestly don't really know where I want to go at this point. Yeah, we'll see. Maybe looking back on this video, you know, maybe a year from now, we'll see where, you know, life takes me. But I finished school at the beginning of December. If you guys were wondering, I got my bachelor's degree in marketing. After you're going through school and you have like that rhythm going, it just kind of feels like you're still in it in a way. Like, you're kind of on autopilot still. So I'm trying to get out of that, and one of the biggest things that I want to do, you know, especially with my spare time, is film YouTube videos. I have a lot of ideas. I have a lot of content that I have in mind, but hopefully I get around to posting them. Because yeah, I said that when I was in school, and with school and work and everything, it just got in the way. You guys know that, you know, this isn't my full-time job or anything, so I have to make, you know, money basically. That way I can show you guys some pickups, you know, basically enjoy this hobby that I've created on this channel. One of my main goals here is I do want to start making more YouTube videos. The dream is maybe one day I can make this my full-time job. Outside of YouTube, I do resell, you know, sneakers and clothes and things like that. So maybe I might be a little bit more transparent and show you guys, you know, the process and everything like that I go through. And share that with you guys, because I feel like maybe some of you guys might be interested in that. You know, maybe some of you guys want to get further into this hobby, but you guys don't have the funds. So, you know, maybe I can help you guys out with that. I feel like that would be really valuable. I am currently doing that. I might start up my own web store soon, so be on the lookout for that as well. I'm currently still working on it. Maybe later on in the future I can turn this into like a lifestyle channel. We will see. But again, I did want to just let you guys know a little bit about what's been going on. This channel has always been on my mind, and I just want to grow this as best as I can. Now that I'm out of school, you know, hopefully I can do that. I'm gonna be honest, I hate making like these little, you know, goal videos at the beginning of like the year, because it's like, it's something that's already been on my mind and everything. Like, I don't want this to be like a New Year's resolution or anything. I don't want that to be like the reason why I'm doing all this. So I did want to just kind of throw that out there as well. But yeah, I really appreciate all the followers and supporters out there. Stay tuned again for the next video. I actually have something really special this week. So be on the lookout for that, and I have some giveaways coming up, so stay tuned. I promise you guys will not regret following this channel. Hopefully you guys had a happy holidays. I'm excited to see, you know, where 2019 takes us. So yeah, this is Jason Tang TV. I'm at you guys. Peace.